Hey guys, Phil Harris here, beginnerdjlessons.com, and in this week's video I'm going to tell you a little secret, a little tip that most of you probably don't know about. And I'm going to do it all wearing my fluffy socks. Okay, let's do it. So listen up guys, when you first start DJing, you're going to want to get yourself a microphone so you can communicate with the audience, right? Now, as most of you know, I'm not a big fan of using microphones. I just let the music do the talking. But, you know, you may want to tell the audience to put their freaking hands up, or, you know, you may want to announce that the taxi's waiting for Mrs. Jones or something like that. So you're going to need one of these. But here's the thing. What happens if you forget it, or what happens if you don't have one yet? Well, it is actually a solution for you. Believe it or not, you can use your headphones. So here's the deal. Usually, the microphone goes into an XLR cable. The XLR cable has these 3 prongs at the end of it. Check them out there, okay? And they go into this little slot at the back of your DJ decks, like that. But did you know you can use your microphones, your headphones, not your microphones. Now, here's the thing, right? Most headphones are going to come with like a little aux cable that looks a little bit like that, okay? Now, that isn't going to work because it's just not going to slot into that gap very well at all. So what you need to go and get yourself is an aux to larger aux. Oh god, I don't know what it's called. I'm going to put it up on the screen, but basically you stick your smaller aux cable in there and it turns it into a bigger aux cable. I'm going to put a link up on the screen. I haven't done my research well enough. Now, the best thing about this, you can stick that right in to that hole where the microphone usually works. So now, as long as I've got noise cancelling headphones as well, so you've got to turn them on, and now you can speak through these. Hello. 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 Now guys, here's the thing. This is not a high quality microphone, and you'll probably find one of the cups will probably work better than the other. I've never even tried this with the little in-ear buds, but these will probably work better, and it's amazing. I mean, it's an amazing you can do it because not many people know about it. But it does, you know, it's not an amazing quality. In other words, it's not an amazing quality. You kind of sound like an old BBC presenter. This is the BBC. This is the BBC. And it's literally as simple as that. The other thing I think sounds quite cool about it is you can filter, so you can actually boost the bass, you can manipulate the sound slightly. You just saw me filtering it there. And guys, have some fun with this. You know, reality is you're probably not going to be using these microphones to make announcements, but you can have fun. It sounds, to me, it sounds like a bit like a bass. Head over to beginnerdjlessons.com. I've got 3 courses, and in the courses, I'm going to give you a sample pack of beats. One of the beats sounds a bit like this. And we're going to use that beat now to try and make a weird bass line from our headphones, just for fun, because this is quite a short video anyway. Let's do it. Can't breathe. So there you go guys, that's this week's video for you. You can take your headphones, stick them into the back of your DJ decks, use them as a microphone, use it to make a badass bass line like that if you want to. Do whatever you want, just go and have fun with it guys. Finally, I just wanted to say, if you guys are currently disappointed with your standard of DJing and you want to learn quickly and easily how to become a pro DJ, I've got 3 courses at beginnerdjlessons.com that are simple, easy to follow, amazing exercises that'll take your DJ sets to that next level. And the best thing about it guys is if you get the course and you don't like it, there's a money back guarantee, so you can contact me and I will personally refund you the money, so you guys have got absolutely nothing to lose. If you guys like this week's YouTube video, make sure you leave a comment, make sure you give it a like, make sure you subscribe for more videos just like this, and I look forward to seeing you in next week's video. Ciao for now!